Hello everyone, here is an amazing news for all of you. Your SIDBI Grade A and Grade B Phase 2 result is finally out. So congratulations to all those students who got selected. And here is the list of the selected candidates, of the shortlisted candidates for your Grade A general stream. So here I am talking about SIDBI Grade A as well as Grade B results. This is the Grade A key list of the general stream, right? And you can see this is the list of Grade B key general stream key list, right? So these are the students who got selected finally, and this is for the Grade B specialist stream for information technology and legal stream, right? So guys, please check your result quickly and do let me know in the comment section कि आपका result क्या रहा, right? And there are close to 213 selections in Grade A, right? So if I talk about Grade A examination, there are 213 selections here in Grade A, and 41 selections are there in your Grade B examination, right? So congratulations students, all those who cleared this particular examination. Now is the interview time. And if I talk about the interview, we are launching an interview preparation batch for your SIDBI Grade A interview, Grade B interview. You'll be given 101 mock interview with the ex-officers of the SIDBI and Reserve Bank of India officers as well, right? So officers like SIDBI and RBI will be participating in this particular interview round, and general managers level kind of officers are also included in this particular batch. So I highly recommend you guys to join this interview preparation batch. Definitely it can help you is this interview, right? So congratulations सभी को, और जिन का भी क्लियर हो चुका है वो मुझे डेफिनेटली कमेंट सेक्शन में बताओ आपका SIDBI Grade A, Grade B और specialist stream as well as the general stream is finally out. 2013 vacancies, 2013 selections in the Grade A, and your 41 selections are in the Grade B, right? So definitely मुझे ज़रूर आपकी कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइएगा कि आपका रिजल्ट यहाँ पे क्या रहा, ओके? एंड डेफिनेटली अगर आपको इंटरव्यू का प्रिपरेशन करना है तो यू कैन जॉइन अवर इंटरव्यू बैच. सून इट विल बी आउट फॉर योर SIDBI इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन, एंड विश यू द वेरी बेस्ट फॉर द इंटरव्यू. आपने बहुत यहाँ पे हार्डवर्क किया है फॉर फेज 1, फॉर फेज 2. नाउ इज द फाइनल राउंड गाइज फॉर द इंटरव्यू. लेट्स मेक इट टू द बेस्ट आई कैन से हियर कि आपको यहाँ पे बिल्कुल भी अब कोई भी चीज़ नहीं छोड़नी है फॉर इंटरव्यू, एंड बहुत ही अच्छे से आपको यहाँ पे इंटरव्यू प्रिपेयर करना है. Oliveboard is giving a very amazing course about interview. It will be very knowledgeable session by the SIDBI X and RBI X officers, right? So I invite you all to join that course as well. You can check out the course highlights as well, right? Again, congratulations guys, and let me know in the comment section कि आपका result क्या रहा. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care and best wishes for the interview.